Would you rather receive a wrapped box or receive a sealed envelope? I hope the box isn't just another set of socks. Would you rather get a surprise package or get a mysterious letter? I'd love to get a package, but hopefully not one filled with bills. Would you rather choose a hidden treasure or choose a secret potion? I'll take the treasure. Potions always seem to backfire in fairy tales. Would you rather unwrap a mystery book or unveil a concealed map? I'd pick the book, maybe it holds the key to hidden treasure. Would you rather open a magic chest or unlock a secret box? Chests are so magical, but boxes are easier to carry around. Would you rather discover a hidden key or decrypt a coded message? Keys are straightforward, but messages lead to adventure. Would you rather crack a secret code or solve a riddle? Codes are like puzzles, but riddles are like brain teasers. Would you rather find a hidden gem or locate a buried treasure? Gems are shiny, but treasures are legendary. Would you rather receive a cryptic note or obtain a mysterious artifact? Notes make me curious, artifacts make me Indiana Jones. Would you rather delve into an unknown tome or examine a mystical scroll? Tons of knowledge in a tome, but scrolls hold ancient secrets. Would you rather choose a magical talisman or select an enchanted amulet? Talismans are for wizards, but amulets protect against bad luck. Would you rather uncover a hidden passage or explore a mysterious cave? Passages are like secret doors, caves are like dragon lairs. Would you rather reveal a hidden message or decode a secret symbol? Messages hold secrets, symbols hold ancient wisdom. Would you rather select a mystical potion or pick an ancient relic? Potions can grant wishes, relics hold ancient power. Would you rather open a mysterious box or break the seal of an ancient urn? Boxes hide surprises, urns hide mysteries. Would you rather discover a hidden chamber or enter a secret sanctuary? Chambers hold treasures, sanctuaries hold peace. Would you rather unlock a magical portal or step into an enchanted realm? Portals are doorways, realms are worlds of wonder. Would you rather unravel a mystical scroll or examine a forgotten manuscript? Scrolls hold ancient knowledge, manuscripts hold forgotten tales. Would you rather receive a mysterious gift or obtain an enigmatic present? Gifts are surprises, presents are mysteries waiting to be solved. Would you rather choose a mysterious package or select a mystical parcel? Packages are intriguing, parcels are filled with possibilities. Would you rather peek inside a secret chest or peer into a mysterious crate? Chests hold treasure, crates hold adventure. Would you rather open a locked treasure chest or crack the code of a hidden safe? Chests hold gold, safes hold secrets. Would you rather unravel the secrets of a mystery box or decode the mysteries of an enigmatic package? Boxes hold surprises, packages hold mysteries. Would you rather unveil the contents of a hidden parcel or reveal the surprises of a secret gift? Parcels hold secrets, gifts hold delights. Would you rather choose a concealed object or select a covert item? Objects hide mysteries, items conceal wonders.